Okay, so let's get started then. The first thing we need to do on line 1 is import the Tkinter module. From Tkinter, some people call it Tkinter, import, and the keyword here is star. Star means all, so we're importing the whole module. Right, now next thing we need to do, let's just put a comment in to see what we're going to do. We're going to set up the application window, and to do that we'll create a variable called window and we'll assign it the TK object. You see how we've given it a capital T here? That means that this is an object, so this window will now refer to it as the TK object. So we'll give the window a title, and the window title is inside these speech marks, and we'll just say Merry Christmas. It is a Christmas card after all. We can change it in a wee minute. So we've used the dot notation here because window is an object, so we can tell because of this dot notation that title is a property of the window object. Right, we want to give window a size, so we use the geometry method here, and we're saying 500 is going to be the width in pixels multiplied by 700 pixels. So it's going to be your classic shape of a Christmas card. So let's save that. Now I've called my file Christmas_card, and this is version 1, and it's a .py, it's a Python file, and I've just used the Thorny application to create it in. So we'll save it and then we'll run it, and here it is, it's opened up. It's got Merry Christmas as the title. The size is 500 pixels wide and 700 pixels high, and it is an application window because it's got a title bar at the top here, minimize button, maximize button, and a close button, which we are about to use. And we'll stop. Okay.